Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make vanilla soufflé. First, gather your essential ingredients: 4 large eggs, 1 cup of milk, and 1/4 cup of granulated sugar. Next, prepare your ramekins by generously buttering and sugaring them. This creates a non-stick surface for a perfect rise. Finally, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's ready for baking. These initial steps are crucial for a successful and delicious soufflé. Now let's create the rich base for our soufflé. In a saucepan, whisk together the egg yolks, a portion of the sugar, and a tablespoon of flour until smooth. Gently heat 1 cup of milk with a vanilla bean until it just simmers. Then slowly temper this warm milk into your yolk mixture. Return the entire mixture to the heat and cook, stirring constantly, until it thickens into a luxurious pastry cream. This creamy base is the heart of your vanilla soufflé. The next critical step is perfecting the meringue. In a clean bowl, whip 4 egg whites with a tiny pinch of salt until soft peaks begin to form. Gradually add 2 tablespoons of sugar, continuing to whip until the meringue becomes glossy and holds firm, stiff peaks. This airy meringue provides the lift. Now, gently fold about 1/3 of the meringue into your cooled pastry cream to lighten it. Then carefully incorporate the remaining meringue, preserving its volume. With your mixture ready, it's time to bake. Carefully spoon the soufflé mixture into your prepared ramekins, filling them about 3/4 full. Place them on a baking sheet and bake in your preheated oven for approximately 12 to 15 minutes. Watch for them to puff up beautifully and turn a lovely golden brown. The moment they emerge, serve your exquisite vanilla soufflés immediately, perhaps with a light dusting of powdered sugar. Enjoy this truly delightful dessert.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.